In this video, I'm going to be talking about pCloud, which is the cloud storage solution that Scenic Gems uses to manage the files over a network for freelancers, photographers, and any other people who need access to the files. So on pCloud, the first thing that comes in very handy in the download section from pcloud.com is pCloud Drive, and you will find that for your various operating system, whether you're on Mac, Windows, etc. You can download pCloud Drive. Once you've got that and you've got it installed, what it will do is on Mac, it brings up an icon at the top here, and you can log in. And then subsequently open the drive. And it acts as basically a virtual drive for the Scenic Gems files. So rather than your C drive or your D drive, you've now got a pCloud drive. And in there, depending on which folder is shared, it could be anything within this Scenic Gems folder. I may even share the whole Scenic Gems folder. It just depends. So in this folder structure, there is Australia, and if we do any other subsequent countries, they'll show up in the list, and they're organized by state. And this is where you would find the files that you need. Up in here in resources, we have a new location folder. So this is the folder that contains the structure to create any one of these locations within whichever country it is. Now, in here there is a brief template, which I'll talk about in another video. The folder production structure, and then some resources. So these are all the things that you can access via pCloud Drive. To access pCloud Drive, I will send you an email with an invitation. Once you get the invitation, accept the request and log in with your pCloud username and password. If you don't have one, register for an account and then you'll be able to log in. Once you are logged in, you'll see the new share invitation, and it will show you the folder that you will be sharing, and you want the permissions to be set to edit and then accept the share. So it's going to share the folder name with you, Scenic Gems, and the folder structure it will show you. So you can tick open shared folder after accepting if you like. And it's saying to me that I can't share a folder with myself, but that will obviously work for you. And then once you've done that, you're set up and good to go. It will bring up a folder, a web browser with folders in it. But the better way to do it is to use pCloud Drive, which will work once you've connected your account so that you've got a folder structure just like a virtual drive.